This is Driving with Myles. So let's talk about right away and making a left-hand turn. These are more advanced maneuvers. So I'm in a private driveway. I have to make a left turn. So you come up to the edge of the road. This takes practice. So I'm waiting for a safe gap. You don't want to pull in front of a car. I'm looking left, I'm looking right, I'm scanning, and I'm looking. So once this car goes by, here's my gap. I make my left turn, and of course, there's our friend who's in a hurry. So learn from that. People are always in a hurry and they're impatient. That is a teachable moment. So we're cruising along the speed limit here. School is out. So I'm cruising at my normal limit. I'm taking my time. Learn from the mistakes of others. You have to be patient. And if you're not patient, people will be impatient. So I have good speed control. I'm taking my time. I'm looking ahead. Both hands are on the wheel. You want to check your rearview mirror every 12 to 15 seconds. And I'm just taking my time. At the end of the day, we're all going to get to the same spot at the same time. I need you to give us a thumbs up. This is a great teachable moment on how to be patient and how to be safe. And I appreciate you. Subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you.